Earnings season quietly wrapped up this week, with the latest reports easily overshadowed by political tensions in the European Union, heightened trade drama between the US and its allies, and another solid jobs reports. Now, as we enter a slow period for earnings announcements, investors will likely have to search harder for compelling new results.
With that said, investors can always use the Zacks earnings calendar to plan out their schedules for earnings, dividend announcements, and other important financial releases. This handy tool is your perfect one-stop shop to properly prepare for the market events that will have an impact on your own portfolio.
There are not a ton of marquee reports to watch for in the upcoming week, but investors with an eye on the tech sector might be interested in a few names, including one of the world's largest semiconductor companies.
Using the earnings calendar, we looked ahead to next week and selected the top reports to watch. Make sure to keep an eye on these companies as they prepare to report during the week of June 4th. Shares of cybersecurity player Palo Alto Networks have surged more than 90% since rebounding from a multi-year stretch of volatility in April of last year, and with the stock now near its all-time highs, investors will be hoping for another great report from the firm. PANW is sporting a Zacks rank number 3, hold, ahead of its announcement on June 4th. According to our latest Zacks consensus estimates, analysts are expecting PANW to report earnings of 96 cents per share and revenue of $545.7 million. These results would represent growth about 57% and 26%, respectively, from the year-ago period.
The high-growth days of AMBA and GoPro GPRO have long since passed, but this imaging tech expert still attracts plenty of attention, especially considering its efforts to capture the self-driving car industry. Still, the stock is down more than 15% over the past year, and does this not present the most exciting growth prospects?
Consensus estimates are calling for earnings of 9 cents per share and revenue of $56.2 million, which would represent year-over-year slumps of 77% and 12%, respectively. AMBA is currently holding a Zacks rank number 3, hold, just a few days before its report date.
Semiconductor behemoth Broadcom is scheduled to report its latest quarterly financial results after the market closes on June 7th. The stock has had an up and down year, but shares have popped nearly 10% in the past year and are entering the earnings week with solid momentum. However, AVGO is currently sporting a Zacks rank number 4, sell.
Based on our most recent Zacks consensus estimates, we expect AVGO to post adjusted earnings of $4.76 per share and revenue of $5.0 billion. These figures would represent year-over-year growth of 29% and 19%, respectively.
More stock news. This is bigger than the iPhone.
It could become the mother of all technological revolutions. Apple sold a mere 1 billion iPhones in 10 years, but a new breakthrough is expected to generate more than 27 billion devices in just 3 years, creating a $1.7 trillion market.
Want the latest recommendations from Zacks Investment Research? Today, you can download 7 best stocks for the next 30 days. Click to get this free report.
Palo Alto Networks Incorporated, PANW, Free Stock Analysis Report.
Broadcom Limited, AVGO, Free Stock Analysis Report. AMBA Incorporated, AMBA, Free Stock Analysis Report. GoPro Incorporated, GPRO, Free Stock Analysis Report.